My knees hot. Mess with the wrong one. These niggas mess with the wrong one. Why? Everybody gonna get hurt now. Everybody gonna feel my pain now. I don't give a fuck about none of that shit. Everybody gonna feel my pain now. Why? Why? No more 280s in Brooklyn, nigga. Next 280, yeah, yo. Next 280 come in Brooklyn, we gonna stab, nigga. We gonna stab that nigga, bro. Fuck you talking about. Fuck you talking about, nigga. We gonna stab that nigga, bro. Fuck out of here. Fuck out of here, bro. Fuck, man. Fuck, man.